This is the Dremel DigiLab 3D45 printer. It's a feature-packed 3D printer which is really user-friendly. It comes with everything you need to start printing in minutes, and it's loaded with Dremel software which walks you through setup and has a nice selection of 3D print files pre-installed, so you can start printing pretty much straight away. The first thing you'll notice is just how compact it is. It has an enclosed design which keeps the heat inside and any contaminants out for a really reliable print. And it's really quiet too, making it suitable for a variety of environments. Before you're ready to print for the first time, there's some instructions to follow on the keypad at the front, which it walks you through, and there's also a quick start guide included with the printer. You twist the side panel off by turning it anti-clockwise, and then you load your chosen filament reel. And as it has auto recognition, it automatically adjusts the temperature settings required for your print. The DigiLab 3D45 comes with 2 black filament reels, but for the purposes of printing in this video, we've chosen to use orange so it's really easy to see. You simply thread your chosen filament through, wait for the temperature to heat up to the correct level, and then you're ready to load your print file. Dremel's website has plenty of 3D files to choose from also, or you can search online for STL 3D files to download, and then you run them through Dremel's software which slices them to make them compatible. Simply load your chosen print file onto the included USB flash drive. Once you've registered your printer, you can send them via the software. Once the printer's confirmed that the plate's level and you've applied the enclosed glue to the print area to ensure the print doesn't slip, it's time to hit build and away you go. For the purposes of showing you just how easy the DigiLab 3D45 is to use, we printed this moustache phone holder in just an hour. There's a nice range of colours to choose from in the Dremel filament range, so you can have some fun or you can print in your brand colours. This particular printer works really well with higher temperature materials too, like Eco ABS, which is good for strong and durable models, but it's also compatible with nylon, PETG and PLA. The Dremel DigiLab 3D45 printer is perfect for personal use, industry, schools, colleges and universities, and you can buy yours now at scan.co.uk.